Hey everybody, it's Kelly with Hairology with Kellie Carroll, where I am educating the future stylist of tomorrow and bringing you tips and tricks for you to make more money. If you like that kind of content, then please like and subscribe to this channel. We're going to have a lot of fun, a lot of review, but a lot of fun. Just keep watching. Today I am going to be showing you how to fold foil for highlighting hair. There's three different ways right here in my hand. The first would be a double-edged fold down the sides, totally possible. And then we have a double edge fold along the top edge of your foil, which helps to keep it pliable in place. And then next we have what I call a popover, where you can insert your pintail comb, fold your foil over top of the comb. So next, if you're using the tear your own foil, this is a great way to be cost effective, and you can tear the exact length that you need for your client. And by using this type of foil, you are in control of the consistency, and what I mean by that is I mean the pliability of your foil. So I like to double edge fold my foils as such. I think it gives it more pliability. It gives it more room to wave more so than tear and flap. By that you can see the difference in the weight of the foil. The heavier the foil, I think it holds the hair a little bit better. These are by Product Club, and they're a great tear your own foil. They have the metal perforated edge, and they also have a plastic roll on the inside, so it rolls out very easy that you can tear to your own length. So we're going to begin on this model by just doing and sectioning off for like a regular highlight. And I'm going to show you about 4 different placements for foil and how these foil folding methods and how to fold the foil for highlighting your hair. So first of all, we're going to use my basic double edge folded method. And by placing it in the hair, you over direct the hair, lay it directly on top of that foil, and it hugs itself. Pretty easy. This next method, after you get your highlighted section ready to go, you can take this foil and place it on the top, again double edge folded. But when you start to apply your product, you apply your product almost halfway up that folded section. It kind of keeps it from seeping, and it gives you room for products such as lightener to swell a little without getting onto the scalp. It's a great way to practice. And then just fold it in on both sides, tap it a little at the bottom. You do not want to tap this and squeeze it real tight for the product to swell out or for too much air not to be able to get in there, so it's causing your product to get heated. For this next little highlighted section, I'm going to show you if you just grab your foil and do what I call the popover, pop it over the pintail of your comb. This is another way, probably one of the #1 ways stylists like to highlight. You can, most certainly. And then press it into the scalp after you over direct the hair onto it. So when you are applying your product, same thing, to the middle of that folded edge, and then bring your product all the way down. Now by putting that in like that, you can also fold it up, double fold, and then you can pinch the sides in as triangles. If you have enough space on the head, this is recommended to do corners or in the sides. Again, we're going to highlight one more section to show you that you can also double edge fold it already, over direct the hair and place it onto the foil, apply your product, and then once you're finished pulling your product through to the ends, this would be great for a balayage if you were using balayage, because then you're going to take another foil already folded, double edge folded, and you're going to place it over top of that and then pinch your edges together just like that and let it lay the length of the foil. So I thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video because I sure had a great time making it. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell for your future notifications when I post videos up to my channel. Thank you. To the next video.